The first destination is to the Kahekeli bunker, which starts the scenic views. It took about 10 to 15 minutes to the bunker. Then after, the trail gradually works its way up. After 0.1 mile-ish, it relentlessly goes up and up and up. I was pretty much dying. Kahana Valley opens up to the left, which is another beautiful view. After this view, the trail contours and kind of works its way down towards the waterfall. So there's erosion here at the waterfall, and this was never here. And now there's like an open, maybe new chute when rain comes. The trail continued its relentless uphill, and again, I was dying. Looking back, we could actually see how far we came. We actually hiked those ridges in the back. Finally, on the crossover to Manamana, the views opened up where we could see Kahana Bay on the left. Kahana Bay is a very iconic spot. Many tourists probably seen this on a postcard or maybe in those videos you see if you flew in via the Hawaiian Airlines plane. And also you probably saw this spot in a bunch of tourist visiting guides. Seeing the bay from above is definitely money views. The bright blue ocean sitting so pretty in front of the majestic bay. This stretch you see is a pretty sketchy section. As you can tell, the trail is pretty narrow and there are some climbing sections involved. Keep in mind that this route is not at all for beginners, as this is an advanced hike. You can see Crouching Lion way on the bottom, which is our target destination. We still got ways to go.
20 minutes later.
So Bernice and Eric had to wait for me since I was flying my drone. I was actually surprised at myself because I only went through one drone battery and I felt very satisfied with the footage I got. It was really good timing though because it started to rain.
Oh my god! Oh, it's raining!
We were all saturated and just drenched from the rain. Luckily, we all had our micro spikes on, which is a big help as we made our way down some steep parts. There's Crouching Lion right there in the back, almost there. As we got closer to Crouching Lion, there was a memorial cross buried on the trail, a reminder to everyone to always be careful when hiking. There had been some deaths in the past for those who hiked Crouching Lion. We made our way down to a shortcut trail and ended up back on Kamehameha Highway.
I'm not used to finishing the hike this early because lately we've been doing grinders. We'd always come on in the dark. But this was a good fun hike. Very fun.
Our post-hike meal was at Tita's Grill. The food portion there is huge, which is really good.
Wait, let me open Daniel's. Let me open Daniel's.
Free chicken.
Holy freaking hell.
Oh, I never had this long time, bro.
Well, thanks for watching my vlog, and here's some more drone footage I got on Manamana Ridge. Please feel free to subscribe, and thanks again for watching.